folks, look at Sharper Trades. Market did a little bit of a bounce of the 50 SMA, the SPY. However, these still remain weak signal. So we got the bearish breakdown yesterday, the bearish kicker through the ATMA 555 resistance, now testing the 50 SMA. Tomorrow I'm expecting a continuation of this pattern. So that will look like open below the 50 SMA and then going down. It's a projection, so careful with this market. We yesterday we covered inverse ETF, and you could use those for hedging or short-term investing, swinging. Now, on the other hand, if the 50 SMA continues to hold, maybe we get a hammer or something, there will be a reversal or an attempt reversal, but bottom line, it needs to come back about 555 and the ATMA. At that point, it will try to go up. But again, remain cautious because the technicals are still weak. Just a quick look at the triple Q, how that performed. Also here, the OBV is crossing over the moving average, and a continuation closing below yesterday closing price with an upper shadow. It's in the green, but weak. The resistance here remains, let's see, the ATMA, 50 SMA, support are 450, 442, and the 200 SMA 432. It's possible price will go down there. Careful. All right, into the Euro stocks, AOI, this one we discussed yesterday. It's extending today, testing the 200 simple moving average. I like the look of this, especially the volume. It's a shot to go up. This is a swing idea. If it takes out the 200 simple moving average, 1430, 1670, 1940, 2270. Very volatile with support at 1190 and the ATMA. $3. Reported earnings. This one has been in the toilet for a while, and today took a dip right into it, even more. But a bounce, and there's a potential for some recovery. As I cover in the trading room, this one, let's look at the monthly chart, is got a bounce of this base right here. This is multi-year lows, and we're looking at 2014, 2016, 2020. So that's a good base right through there. If it holds above it, maybe tomorrow opens higher above the 200 SMA, makes a harami pattern, bullish harami, then there's a possibility for a bounce. So again, the earnings were awful, so this is still very vulnerable. But if it does try to recover some of this lost ground, let's go for a short-term swing, 68, 73, and then if it breaks through the 73.50 today high, then we're looking at the 79 and 84. One step at a time, let's see what kind of bounce it gets. Current support is 2280, sorry, 6280 and 62. Pepsi Cola, yesterday swing initiation. It remains bullish because we got a confirmation today of the continuation from yesterday. Is still below 81 and needs to break through that and then eventually take out the first target, which 182, 188 and 194, possibly 200 are the targets, ATMA and 171, 174 and 171 are the support. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit sharpertrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at sharpertrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.